In order to maintain its position as a protagonist of the present and to anticipate the future, EPSON invests a great deal in research and development. In its laboratories, academics, scientists and technicians take up the challenge of creating new technologies on a daily basis. They then put together avant-garde strategies to accomplish and perfect these ideas.
例えばですね、プリンター関連で言うと、
In terms of technological development, we're doing a lot at the moment. One of the examples is in the printer business, and there are two areas in particular that we're looking at. One is the traditional printing area run by printing companies, and the other is printing of what we call public contents, from example the television. And also, of course, we're looking at technological advances in the display area, for example OLED, or organic light emitting diode, which has a lot of potential applications in cars or for TV screens, etc.
This is how the latest generation OLED displays were developed and the art of miniaturization was perfected. It has also led to the invention of new applications and to great improvements in the quality and durability of consumable materials. On paper, on screen, on glass, EPSON is steadily becoming the company for digital images. Forays into new scientific frontiers often give rise to important joint ventures, a possibility that has always interested EPSON. These joint ventures help develop new commercial agreements that increase the company's prestige and leadership in every technological segment. This was the case with the birth of the Sanyo EPSON Imaging Devices Corporation on the 1st of October 2004. The company focuses on the creation of small to medium-sized LCDs for cell phones and digital cameras, as well as for cars that nowadays are increasingly equipped with satellite navigators and even DVD players.
EPSON, until now, it's had LCD of the passive type and the active type. However, Sanyo, they had manufacturing facilities and technologies for different types of, especially active type LCDs. Our aim in going into this partnership was to, of course, continue with our existing technologies, but to take on board the technologies and the production facilities that are currently owned by Sanyo as well.
From its beginnings as a maker of watches and precision instruments to its diversification into imaging, EPSON has made history over the years, meeting challenges with innovative and creative solutions. But what does EPSON have to offer for the future?
When I started in the company 35 years ago, we were basically a watch manufacturer, and then we became a printer manufacturer. But of course, when we were a watchmaker, we could never even imagine becoming a printer manufacturer. So we're obviously going to do a lot of work on the R&D, and who knows where we're going to be in 10 or 20 years down the line.